Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nishtha and I create beauty content on this channel, and I am really happy for the response that you gave on my first video. I hope you keep supporting me further in this journey. I'll try to add up more content on this channel, like a lifestyle, a styling, shopping hauls, and everything that I can do on my end. So in today's video, I am going to show my personal favorite recommendations for foundations for basically Indian skin types which are a little affordable. I am not into high-end makeup products as of now because I think I have got pretty much good options in the affordable category as well, which I'm going to share today in this video. Also, one thing that I would like to mention is I post on YouTube, Instagram and Reposo. All the three platforms have different content, and I think if you like me, if you like my work, you are gonna love it. So I create on three platforms, so check out the links in the description box below. So let's get started. So the first foundation that I am loving so much lately, because I have just tried this foundation and I seriously like it very much for the price, for the consistency, for the coverage and everything. So this is the Fet n Wild's Photo Focus Foundation. I am in the shade Golden Beige. So the best part is all the details like undertone, shade and all of it is mentioned on the packaging itself. Even if you like to choose it online, you will get several things in the description that can help you choose your shade. So this foundation says it's for medium shade and warm undertone. It is one shade lighter, but I prefer using one shade lighter foundations because I have oily skin, and this foundation, most of the foundations tend to turn gray on my skin after a while, so I like to go a shade lighter. So this is the perfect foundation. So the MRP of this product is $5.99, but this is mostly available on sale. You can buy this from Nykaa, Hawk Makeup, Purple, even offline and Wet n Wild's website. So there are many options to buy this foundation, and I like the formula pretty much. It is good for normal to oily skin type. This is also good for combination skin. Like you apply it and it dries down pretty quickly, so you have to work very fast with this one. So this is a foundation that I would recommend to mostly normal, combination and oily skin type. So this is my first recommendation and I am loving this one. Also, to repeat, my shade is Golden Beige. So the next foundation that I am going to talk about is a very hyped one, and you have probably tried this by now. So this is the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation, and I am in the shade 128. I think 128 is a shade lighter for me, which I prefer the most for my skin because it's oily. As I mentioned before, it's oily and tends to turn gray after a while, so I prefer using a shade lighter. I also have 220 in this, 128 and also 228 in this, so I have pretty much all the shades from this one, and I think it is a very good formula. And I think if you want to try it once, you should buy the smaller one because this is pretty handy and pretty good. The quantity which they are offering is, I think, 18 ml for 300 rupees, which is like quite a deal. The coverage is like medium and it's buildable also, so I like it very much. Also, this is best suitable for normal to oily skin type, but even dry can use it with nice amount of moisturizer. So I think this works pretty well for almost all the skin types. You should definitely try this out. This is a steal deal, I think. For 300, please buy it. The next foundation is by Lakme. This is the Lakme's Invisible Finish foundation with SPF 8, and the shade I have is 02 right here. So this foundation, I won't say it is a full coverage foundation because it is not. It is very sheer, but I like it because it is very good for daily use. Like, the amount you are paying is not bad at all. It retails for rupees 260 and you can easily find these in offline stores as well. Nykaa and Purple पे तो available है ही, बाकी Amazon पे भी मिल जाएगी and offline stores पे भी it is easily available. So this foundation has a very sheer coverage, so I like it for my daily use. It works as a BB or a CC cream, and it's a very light formula. The fragrance is pretty nice, as the signature fragrance of Lakme. So I think the people who are new to the makeup world and want to try foundations, you should try this one out. This is from Lakme, Lakme's Invisible Finish foundation. It is pretty good. So if you are looking for a very high coverage foundation in the drugstore affordable category, you need to check this one out. This is the Maybelline's 24-hour Superstay foundation. This is a pretty good formula. It is extremely matte, which is good for excessive oily and oily skin type. Normal can also use it. It can dry out the dry ones a little more, but if you moisturize your skin really well or you add a facial oil to it, it may work for you as well, because this is a very good formula. It is very full coverage and I think stays pretty well. The price that they are offering this product at is $750, but you can also get this in discount on Nykaa, Purple, Amazon, offline. Like, this is easily available, and Maybelline is a brand which people trust on because it has really good products. So I would definitely want you to try this one out, and don't freak out if you are dry. This can work for you, but you need to like balance things a little bit. Like, you can add extra moisturizer or facial oil to it and it will work really nice for you. The next foundation is also pretty affordable and very less talked about, but I think I should bring this to your notice now. It is high time. So this is the Supra Color Foundation Base from Krylon. It comes in this small little packaging. Also, they have a tub for this, but this small one retails for rupees 300. And this also comes in a form of palette. You can buy separate shades as well, and you can buy a palette of 6, 12 or 18 colors. So this is a professional range by Krylon. It is the Supra one. So the Supra is most specifically used for dry skin type because it has moisture in it. It has a little shine to it, which is very pretty. I think I am normal to oily, but I think this goes pretty well on me as well, because this is good. If you set it nicely, it will work for you oily ones also. So this small little baby retails for rupees 300. This is the refill packaging and I pretty much like it. It is most suitable for dry skin, but every skin can actually use it. Like, foundations can be used on each skin type. It's just that how you balance things. Like, if you are dry and you have a mattifying foundation, you can add a facial oil to it, you can add a serum to it, you can moisturize your skin pretty well and use it. Like, it will work for you. Also, if you have oily skin and you have a dewy finish foundation, you can set it really well with the help of a loose powder. You can bake and it will work for you. So it's just that you need to balance things out, and you need to know that how to balance things. So this is Krylon Supra Color, and the shade I have is FS38, which is very good for my skin, and even 1 or 2 shades lighter than me. I work it well with the help of a contour. So this is also a very good option. The last foundation for today, my recommendation that I love. Like, this foundation is so good. I love it so much. It is basically foundation for dry skin type, but I love it so much. Like, I am a person who likes dewy finish, so this works pretty well for me also. This is the LA Girls Illuminating Foundation. LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. So this turned out pretty well for me. I think this foundation is pretty good. It's high coverage. Like, it's medium, but you can build it up to high coverage, and the finish is really pretty. It is a dewy finish foundation because it says it's an illuminating foundation, so it leaves a dewy finish on your skin which never dries out the dry skin. Extremely dry can also use it, and this is very good. If you trust me, if you can buy something from my recommendation, you should definitely check this out. Like, dry family would just love this one. So this is the last recommendation for today, and hope you guys like it. Hope it was helpful to you. And also, one thing that I would like to mention is, please buy foundation by proper research. You should, like, if you are unaware of your exact shade, you should do a lot of research, because these things are expensive. You need to know that you are buying the right shade. First of all, check the undertone from your veins. So the method, a quick method for checking your undertone is check your veins on the wrist. If you have green nerves here, you are a warm undertone. If you have blue nerves, you are cool undertone, and if you have both, you are a neutral undertone. So please buy foundation according to your undertone. Also, please read the entire description of the product when you are buying it online. वैसे तो it is always better that you get a swatch on your jaw to neck area in the store, but if you are buying online, you should definitely do a lot of research work. You should try using the website that I know. It's called findation.com. I'll mention it below, findation.com. So if you have an existing foundation that you are pretty sure your shade matches, you can put that shade and variant of foundation in that website, and they will show you all the other options that you have from other brands. Like if I have Maybelline's 128 in Fit Me range, I can write there, and they will probably tell 20 more brands and my shades in them that I can buy, which will suit me, like considering all the things, undertones, shades and everything. So this is a thing that you can do, and do not rely on it completely. You should also cross check through YouTube swatches and just find a blogger that matches your skin tone and watch the swatch on that one. Or you can generally type swatches for this foundation and you will get it all on YouTube. So these are the few things that you need to make sure when you are buying your foundation shade. So yeah, these were my recommendations for today. I think this will definitely help you guys. So if you find it useful, go like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Bye bye.